Hello students, hope you all are well. Now I am here to teach you lesson 2 of class 5, kinds of sentences. In my last video I told you sentence. What is sentence? Now here you have to read about types of sentence. First of all, we recall what is sentence. What is a sentence? Group of words which make complete sense is called a sentence. Now there are 4 types of sentences. First, declarative sentence. We also call it a assertive sentence. Second one is imperative sentence. Third one is interrogative sentence. And fourth is exclamatory sentence. Now one by one we will define. I'm going to define you each and every sentences. First, declarative sentence. What is a declarative sentence? Those sentence which tells information about anything. In sentence which gives us information about anything is known as declarative sentence. It's given in your book that it's actually a statement. Declarative sentence is actually a statement. Its purpose is to provide information about something. It is also known as assertive sentence. For example, we go to school daily. In this sentence, it's an information about us that we go to school daily. I posted a letter. It's an information that I posted a letter. They were late. वे लेट थे. तो assertive sentence और declarative sentence का मतलब ये होता है वैसे सेंटेंस जिससे कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन हमें मिल रहा हो, उन्हें हम assertive sentence बोलते हैं. Now, imperative sentence. What are imperative sentence? An imperative sentence gives a command, an order, directions, instructions, gives advice or make a request. That type of sentence which gives command or asks for a request or gives us order for something, that sentence is known as imperative sentence. For example, put the key in the drawer. Put the key in the drawer. What is this? This is a order. This is an order also or instruction also. Wait for me. Wait for me. Order. Here you can see that in an imperative sentence we end the sentence with a full stop or even with a exclamation mark. It depends on that which type of sentence it is. अगर किसी सेंटेंस पे बहुत फोर्सफुली किसी सेंटेंस को बोला जा रहा हो, बहुत फोर्सफुली, तो उसमें हम एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क का यूज करेंगे. अदरवाइज हम फुल स्टॉप से एंड करेंगे सेंटेंस को. Now interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? As you all know, interrogative, it means that type of sentence which is asking question. A sentence that asks a question is known as interrogative sentence. It starts with a WH family words like who, where, which, when, like that. And there are 2 types of question also. Question which begin with WH words or question which need yes no answer, like where are you, who are you, and do you eat fish, are you okay, will answer that type of question in yes or no also. तो 2 तरह के क्वेश्चन बनते हैं. एक तो WH फैमिली से जो भी स्टार्ट होते हैं, हु, वेयर, व्हेन, हाउ, ऐसे वर्ड्स से जो क्वेश्चन अराइज होते हैं वो होते हैं इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. और दूसरे जिनका यस नो में आंसर दिया जा सके, आर यू ओके, हैव यू हैड योर लंच, लाइक दैट. तो जो भी क्वेश्चन, जितने भी वर्ड सेंटेंसेज होंगे जिनसे हम क्वेश्चन अराइज, जो से क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं जिनमें, वो उन्हें हम इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. इन लास्ट, दिस इज एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. व्हाट इज एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस? Exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. ऐसे सेंटेंस जो बहुत सडन फीलिंग, स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग शो कर रहे हो, लाइक व्हाट ए ब्यूटीफुल वॉइस, दैट इज अ ह्यूज फिश. दिस इज शोइंग अ फीलिंग, स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग. दैट किसी ने बहुत बड़ी मछली देखी तो उसने फीलिंग दिखाई अपनी कि वो देखो कितनी बड़ी मछली है. What a beautiful day. वाह कितना खूबसूरत सा दिन है. तो this type of sentence always ends with a exclamation marks. All the exclamatory sentences end with a exclamation marks. We put up exclamation marks at the end of exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is usually spoken twice. He is such a nice boy. all the sentences which shows a strong feeling or emotions is known as exclamatory sentences. Now come to your exercises. In your book, question number A, chapter 2, rewrite each group of words as sentences. The first word of each sentence has been underlined. Answer according to the instructions given in the bracket. What you have to do in this? You have to rearrange the words to make a proper sentence. Instruction is given at the end of the sentence. Like first, door shut the please. In bracket it's given that you have to change this. You have to make an imperative sentence by these words. Like the answer will be please shut the door. In question number B, classify these sentences and say what kind they are. In question number B, what you have to do, classify the sentences and write here that which type of sentences they are. In 4, read aloud and write proper sentences with each group of words. Follow the instructions. In question number C, you have to do the same thing as you do in question number A. You have to make the sentences by using these words in interrogative, declarative, imperative, exclamatory and all.
चलिए स्टार्ट.
In question number D, change the following sentence according to instruction given in the bracket. Same you have to do in question number D also. तो आप सबको ये पूरा एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करना है according to the sentences. Revise all this as you know that what is sentence, declarative, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory.
पे.
Okay students, stay at home, be safe. Okay.